A is for ATV, riding fast on rocky ground, bouncing boldly all around. B is for bulldozer, pushing dirt both big and wide, rolling slowly, side by side. C is for cargo ship, carrying goods across the sea, sailing far so faithfully. D is for drone, buzzing softly through the air, hovering gently everywhere. E is for express train, speeding quickly down the track, never slowing, never back. F is for ferry, floating people across the bay, traveling safely on its way. G is for glider, floating softly through the breeze, sailing smoothly with great ease. H is for hot air balloon, drifting gently through the sky, watching clouds go floating by. I is for icebreaker, breaking ice in oceans cold, making pathways brave and bold. J is for jeep, climbing hills both rough and steep, driving strong and never asleep. K is for kart, racing fast upon the track, zooming forward, never back. L is for loader, scooping dirt up from the ground, moving heavy piles around. M is for metro, running swiftly underground, taking people all around. N is for narrowboat, floating slowly down the stream, like a traveler in a dream. O is for ocean liner, massive ship upon the sea, carrying travelers happily. P is for police car, flashing lights of red and blue, keeping roads safe just for you. Q is for quad bike, four strong wheels that spin so fast, riding trails both rough and vast. R is for rescue helicopter, flying quickly through the sky, helping people from up high. S is for snowmobile, racing fast on snowy ground, zooming with a buzzing sound. T is for tram, running smoothly on its rail, carrying people without fail. U is for utility truck, carrying tools from place to place, helping workers in the race. V is for Vespa, stylish scooter, smooth and bright, easy riding